What kind of birthday party do you want?
Bubble guppies. Perfect.
You want bubble guppies instead of Mickey Mouse? And what do you want for your birthday?
Balloons.
Balloons, what else? You just told me something else a minute ago.
I want balloons.
And?
Balloons for my birthday.
What else?
Balloons for my birthday.
Okay, if you could have balloons, what else would you want?
Can I have balloons for my birthday?
Yes, but what else? Just balloons?
Candles too.
Candles? You said you wanted something that started with a po. Po.
And candles for Bob the Tank.
But you said you wanted a pogo stick. Didn't you?
And Mickey Mouse.
And a Mickey Mouse? Didn't you say you wanted a pogo stick? Yes. Will you tell the camera so I can tell Daddy what you want for your birthday?
Dinosaurs aren't around anymore.
That's right.
Huh?
Dinosaurs haven't been around for a long
Okay, never mind. You don't want to talk to me no more?
Really small.
And
Ian.
dinosaurs were really...
Ian. Nothing else for your birthday?
Well, that's right.
Summer, what are you doing?
We're enormous.
And some
Are you sleeping?
had really long
You're not going to talk to me because you're on camera.
tails.
That's
Are you tired?
like the Apatosaurus.
Well, good night, Summer.
Wow.